Are you ready for the next 2 solar eclipses? There will be an annular solar eclipse on October 14, 2023, and a total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024. An annular solar eclipse happens when the Moon passes between the Sun and Earth, but when it is at or near its farthest point from Earth. Because the Moon is farther away from Earth, it appears smaller than the Sun and does not completely cover the Sun. Whereas, a total solar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes between the Sun and Earth, completely blocking the face of the Sun. During total solar eclipse, the Moon completely hides the solar surface or photosphere and cuts off all direct rays of sunlight from the observer. The annular solar eclipse in 2023 will cross North, Central, and South America. It will be visible in parts of the United States, Mexico, and many countries in South and Central America. In the U.S., the eclipse will begin in Oregon at 9:13 a.m. Pacific Daylight Saving Time and end in Texas at 12:03 p.m. Central Daylight Saving Time. The path of annularity will cross over Oregon, California, Nevada, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico, and Texas. During an annular eclipse, or during the partial phases before and after annularity, the Sun will be very bright. If you are watching an entire eclipse, you may be in direct sunlight for hours. Remember to wear sunscreen, a hat, and protective clothing to prevent skin damage. Never look directly at the Sun with naked eyes. Always use eclipse glasses. Looking directly at the Sun can cause permanent damage to your eyes. Also, do not look through a camera lens, telescope, binoculars, or any other optical device while wearing eclipse glasses or using a handheld solar viewer. The concentrated solar rays will burn through the filter and cause serious eye injury. The total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024 is also known as the Great North American Eclipse. The Moon's dark central shadow will be about 115 miles wide. The eclipse will begin over the South Pacific Ocean and cross North America, passing over Mexico, the United States, and Canada. The eclipse will trace a narrow path of totality across 13 U.S. states. Some major cities inside the path of totality include San Antonio, Austin, Dallas, Indianapolis, Cleveland, Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, and Montreal. The best place to see the eclipse in the entire nation will be in the Texas Hill Country, specifically Kerrville. Texans are lucky they will be experiencing both the eclipses. This will be the 3rd time in 7 years that a total or annular eclipse crosses the United States mainland, following the total eclipse of August 2017. You don't want to miss out on these opportunities to witness the great solar events. Start planning your trips to the location of the eclipse's path. If you miss them both, you'll need to wait a long time to experience a total solar eclipse. The next total solar eclipse that can be seen from United States after 2024 will be on August 23, 2044. So save the date on your calendars and start planning the trip.